A new business idea has taken over Delhi where people are making a profit of upwards of 1 crore a year. I am talking about children's play zones which are being used to host children's birthday parties. Now these children are inviting about 24 to 25 of their friends for their birthday celebration to a trampoline park or a play zone. The charges to enter this place is about 800 rupees per hour. Now you host a party for about 2 hours and children also accompany their parents, which means 80,000 rupees just to host one party. In addition to that, about 1500 rupees per head in return gifts, in food, in decorations, which means each party is costing upwards of 1.5 lakhs for children calling their 5-year-old friends. In fact, if you open some such place in a mall in Delhi and host just about 4 parties per week, that's giving you a monthly revenue of 25 lakhs. If 50% of that revenue goes into food cost, decor, variable staff, that means in 12.5 lakh monthly profit, you cover your fixed expenses, which are roughly about 4 lakhs in rent, utilities and permanent staff, which means about 8 lakhs of monthly profit. Now, of course, the moat here for you as a business owner is having access to these many mothers who actually want to spend this much on their children's birthdays and show their status. Share it with someone who may need it.